Good day, folks. Welcome to Northern Grower Life. Here we are with an update on my grows. I've had this sub-irrigated planter cooking now for almost a month. It's got a nice living soil blend of Pro Mix, cocoa coir, worm castings, a little bit of manure, lots of other good stuff, and of course some Gaia Green organic amendments. And I flooded the bottom, filled the reservoir, and let it slowly soak it up, so to speak. And it emptied almost fully down, and I just refilled it back up to the fill line on the hose down there a couple days ago. So now she's at full capacity as far as moisture goes. It looks nice. I keep that pot there just so the hole's ready to go when my next plant is ready to pop in. I know I don't think I showed you guys this before, but I have this on a lazy Susan, so I can turn it, spin it around, makes it easy to defoliate and LSD and all that. Okay, and that's gonna be popping the seeds another week or so to get started. I want to be able to have them in there by September the 1st, after all the summer heat is done. But over here we have an update on the Freakshow. She's not looking too good at the moment. I haven't given her any fert in a while. Unfortunately, her is not a her. It's a him, obviously. We got some serious fucking male flowers going on. I got a sheet and some parchment paper there, trying to collect a little bit of the pollen from it before I chop it. All the fans are shut off so that so there's not much circulation going on. I don't want the dust settling into my room here to haunt me for years to come. But yeah, I'm going to try and keep some of that pollen genetics so I can cross it with other things and see what happens. But yeah, that one's going to be getting chopped in another day or so after I shake it out a couple more times. We'll see what happens when I do it today. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at it all. Oh. Oh, yeah. Crazy. Okay, well, thanks for ringing in, guys, and I'll try and get back with some more videos soon. I was feeling a little rough and under the weather there for a while, so I've had a few weeks off. Now it's time to get back to it. The outdoors are looking pretty good, as you'll see in my other video. And we'll talk again soon. Peace.